They said line work was hard, but they never saw the beauty of it. They never saw the sunrise breaking over miles of silent power lines. Never felt the wind at the top of a pole, where the day begins with purpose. They saw danger, they saw storms, but they never saw the brotherhood. They never saw the quiet pride in a crew that rolls out before dawn.
You spend a ton of time here with this family, you know, and you grow those bonds and just become super close.
I mean, I've been climbing things since I was a 3-year-old. I've gotten in trouble for climbing things my whole life, so to get paid to climb on things is pretty awesome.
This trade isn't just everybody knows everything. We always learn something from somebody somewhere along the way, and as long as we can transfer that, then everybody can go home at the end of the day, enjoy their families, enjoy their lives.
This is your social construct in your electric reality. You guys are linemen. You keep the power in the lines, right? It doesn't matter, we got bad weather coming, it's cold, it's hot, it's rainy, it's snowy, it's sleety. It's a beautiful day, all right? But those things don't change our electric reality. Those circumstances don't change our electric reality. So don't allow the other circumstances that can cause harm to change your electric reality between one another, the verb.
Because line work isn't just a job. Every bolt tightened, every wire pulled, every climb made against the wind. It all means something. Out here you learn that strength isn't loud, it's steady, it's earned one climb, one storm, one long night at a time. And when the lights finally come back on, when the whole town breathes again, that's when you see it.
Thrive is the values we set here at CORE. Together, health, respect, ingenuity, value, and endurance. And we embody that into our everyday business.
I chose CORE Electric Cooperative because all my instructors at line school, all my buddies and brothers in the trade all spoke very highly of it. Just wanted to help out my own community.
Safety culture is important so that we all get to go home to our families at the end of the day. I tell everybody, be selfish about that. Think about your hobbies. What do you like to do? If you like to be out hunting, fishing, you have a broken arm, you have a broken leg, you're injured, you can't go do that kind of stuff.
If we don't understand why we're doing something a certain way, then you end up just checking a box and following the rules. So education, training, and discipline and accountability with the crews themselves, the people on their crews, and just taking care of each other, that creates that ownership and that creates that success.
Every business, every company is going to preach safety, but it's got to be us that take it on day to day and make sure we go home.
Jobs will get done, I guarantee you. We're focused on the wrong thing. If we focus on one another, man, there's going to be a lot less people jumping from one job to another because they realize that they have a place that they can call home, and they set roots. They set roots and they build something that's more valuable than that extra $1 an hour. Okay? You got like a family, a line family. To me, that's way more valuable than working with a company that treats you as meat and they got people going revolving door. That's not good. But you guys, this is a good spot. This is a good spot.
That's when you see it, the beauty of it, beauty of line work.